Hey guys, this is Sacha here from We Teach Teens, and today we are going to start our first lesson in chemistry. So this course will represent only the basic aspects of chemistry. We will delve into normal chemistry and honors chemistry, and maybe even a little bit of foundations for AP chemistry. Before we start delving deeply into chemistry, let's talk about what really is chemistry. So chemistry is basically the study of matter, characteristics, how specific substances can separate or combine to create new substances, and the interaction the substances will have towards energy. In fact, you may think that chemistry is only about these specific principles, right? And you may think that chemistry is only going to happen in a lab. But in reality, chemistry is everywhere. It is in every single part of our lives. Where what we eat, what we do, chemistry basically is a major aspect in our life. Some examples where chemistry can occur is in our body, right? There are a whole lot of chemical processes that occur in our body. Also, chemistry also is in a part where we cook our food, we clean our houses, or even like driving our cars. So that's basically an intro to what chemistry really is. Now, to begin discussing our deep dive into what chemistry is about, let's begin with one of the foundations of chemistry. It is matter. Now, what is matter? Matter is anything that can take up space and have mass. Let's now talk about what mass really is. Mass is an important aspect in chemistry. Mass is the inertia an object has. Okay? And another major aspect is weight. Okay? Weight and mass are completely different. Weight is the force created from gravity on a substance. Okay? Inertia is also the resistance an object can have towards motion. While mass and weight are completely different, their relationship is very similar. Okay, mass and weight are proportional. This means that when mass increases, weight increases, right? Or when mass decreases, weight decreases. Now, let's talk about another aspect of matter. That is volume. Volume is the space an object has. There are many ways to measure volume. One of the ways to measure volume is known as the graduated cylinder. The graduated cylinder uses what is known as increments or graduations to measure volume. Now, to talk about the relationship with mass and volume, we're going to have to talk about density. Okay? Density is the measure of mass divided by volume. The more common expression for this is known as D equals M over V. You'll see this most likely in your chemistry classes because this is a very common formula. Now, when we are talking about matter, there are also specific mathematical aspects that we must talk about because chemistry and math are very, very related. To do this, we're going to have to talk about common units of measure. So let's talk about the common units of measure for mass. They are kilograms, grams, and milligrams. The relationship between kilograms and grams is 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. And the relationship between milligrams and grams is 1,000 milligrams equals 1 gram. Now, let's talk about the common units of measure for volume. They are known as liter, milliliter, cubic centimeters, and cubic meters. Okay? The relationship between milliliters and liters is 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. And the relationship between liters and cubic meters is 1,000 liters equals 1 cubic meter. Okay? So there you have it, guys. This is basically a deep dive into what matter really is. So, alright guys, see you in the next video.